Hello and welcome. Just doing a quick video showcasing some of the build exploits, I guess, that I've come up with. I've decided to claim this workshop from start to finish. In order to make it more visible, I guess. I don't know, more... I can't think of the word. So that everyone watching, if anyone watches, can get the gist of how you do this yourself and repeat it if you need to, which the odds are you probably will, considering the limitations of the build system in this game. So this is a little bit of a bonus for anybody who tunes in, and I will download this and chuck it up on YouTube afterwards. But yeah, this is going to be my little showcasing of what it is I've been doing in my camp. However, I don't want to waste my camp budget, so I'm doing it here. You get something like this. There's two different ways you can do this, which is interesting. And you get... Let's get a floor decor in as well. So I'll showcase both ways of doing this at the same time for demonstration purposes. I don't actually know how this is going to work because I've only done this separately, so fingers crossed this works to plan. Yeah, so you've got to put the conduits on top of things and make sure that they move about. Then you connect these wires. Once you've connected the wires, you've got to drag it a bit. Just place it, and then once you've done that, you should be able to place this literally anywhere within range of your build area. Let's say I'm going to place it all the way over here behind a bunch of stuff for extra demonstration. Oh, the wire's still attached. Ooh, isn't that fun? Let me see. Does this work? Does this work? Apparently not. They usually do. I guess the floor ones aren't radiators? Okay. That's a good point. These wall ones here, I've discovered, also count as radiators. I thought the floor ones... Wait, no. Did they not? Not in workshops, I guess, then? That's confusing. That is confusing. Oh, I need to kill myself. Because the demonstration only works if you have what is called power. Put this here. Connect this bad boy up here. And now go over there. And look stupid. Oh, and if I get rid of this wall one, yeah, the floor one still counts as a radiator. I can't actually see that light on. Oh no, it is on. It is on, yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna melt these things. Get out of my face, motherfuckers. It's kind of boring to do that, but I was busy. Right. Yeah, so, well, fingers crossed we actually get a new server. It's annoying I had to disconnect from that server just so people were buying stuff from my vendors. Like, they probably were still buying stuff as well, but like, the game was so fucked. Well, there's an enemy. Yup. When there was an enemy. Danger, danger. High voltage. When we touch, when we kiss, when we touch. Danger, danger. High voltage. When we touch, when we kiss, when we touch. Alrighty then. Let's go back to what we were doing. So, for demonstration purposes, you need a floor piece. To make it easier, you might need two, one randomly off somewhere else so you can swap the stairs between them and get things perfectly placed. Then you want a piece of stairs. You want a base. And you want a goddamn carpet. Of some kind. Like, for some reason, you can't set them up on the ones with the stairs, but hey, whatever. At least the server seems to be functioning correctly at the moment. That's all you can really ask for from this freaking game. Okay. Things are proceeding as expected, sort of. Oh, there we go. Let's say there-ish, maybe. Drop that into the ground. Okay, that's a bad way of doing it. Grab from the top, slide in. Oh yeah, that's what she said. And now, you just don't die. Okay, I seem to be under the ground this time. I don't know if that's like permanent or what. Oh, come on, you can do this. Oh, come on, don't do this to me. Snap it! Snap it to the object. Yes! Okay. Now I'm underground. That's the hardest part. Don't press X. Don't press X instead of those buttons. That's the worst goddamn place to put the left and right buttons. Like, oh yeah, you're just building stuff. You could be building stuff in the middle of the air without power armor. You could be like miles up in the air, but nope. Just why don't you put the X button right in the middle of those two? Well, I mean, I guess the X button's always going to be there, but why did you put those two there on the other side? You could have put them anywhere. Oh, round over. Okay. The point is, you go down, you go freaking down. This is probably a bit further down than you'll be able to go in a camp. I have no idea how far you can actually go down in a workshop, to be honest. About that far. Yeah, but what we do here is, because that's one too far, you get rid of those stairs there. Drop that there, you got this floor down here. What I like to do in my camp is, because I haven't paid for the Vault-Tec prototype generator, which is silent. I do have this one, which is still noisy. I also have the fusion generator, which is bloody noisy too. The point is, the fact that they're noisy does not matter, because I do not care whatsoever. Let's get another carpet on here. Drop that there. Oh, well, isn't that perfect? The shutdown imminent message immediately as I start doing this. That's delightful. I'll have to do this quickly then. Oh, I nearly fell off the edge there. Okay, that I think has locked it. Yep, it's locked it into place. So now I'm gonna go up here. Oh, god damn. Leave me alone, motherfuckers. I don't have time for 3 waves. Why would it start 3 waves when the shutdowns are imminent? I don't get it. Anyways. Now you can kind of see what the point of this is. You can't hear the generator, but you can make use of the power that it contains. Ah, motherfucker, stop running away. Ah. And I shall demonstrate this by not pressing X, by placing some lights. Right here. Oh look, it's lit up. I wish this was nighttime, because that would be so much easier to demonstrate. But yeah. It's all lit up now, boys. I mean, I guess at least no one's going to be corrupted by this build, because no one's going to be here to see it. But, yeah. Now you get it. Extra long cables. That's, pretty much how you keep your budget pretty low. You could use extra length on things. It's pretty decent.